What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Microsoft have made it surprisingly difficult to download previous versions and even current versions of build tools. If you've ever built anything from source, you've probably needed build tools, and it used to be as easy as opening up your browser, heading across to aka.ms/buildtools, which takes you to the Visual Studio download page. You can even see the URL still says build tools for Visual Studio 2019. However, this is not visible anywhere on the page. At the top, we have Visual Studio, code, followed by this download section at the bottom. If we search here for build tools, we do actually get build tools 2022. You can download it just by clicking download here, and you'll get an exe that you can launch to start the Visual Studio installer, which after installed allows you to download and install build tools 2022. However, if you're looking for in particular build tools 2019 or a previous version, you can no longer get them, at least easily, from Microsoft's website. You can use all the downloads, and from here under 2019, download build tools here by choosing download, and then signing in, and extra steps and extra steps. The easiest solution is to just hit start, open up a terminal, PowerShell, or command prompt window, and inside of here, use the command winget, search, followed by build tools, one word. This, assuming you have winget installed, which comes default on Windows 10 and 11, allows you to really easily download build tools 2015, 2019, or 2022 just with one simple command. Assuming you don't have winget installed or it returns some kind of an error, you can download and install winget, which is an official Microsoft tool, by downloading and installing the app installer from Microsoft, which you'll find a link for down below. Click this here, download the MSIX bundle file, open it, and install it as you would any other Microsoft Store application. Now you should be able to run winget search build tools in a new command prompt, PowerShell, or terminal window, and you'll get a response like this. In order to actually install one of these, use winget install --ID equals followed by one of these IDs here. So Microsoft Visual Studio 2019 build tools. If I want that, copy this by dragging around it, right click to copy, right click to paste, space -E, and when you hit enter, Microsoft Visual Studio build tools 2019 will be downloaded and installed. If it's already installed, you'll be told about it, and if that's the case, simply hit start and search for Visual Studio, where you can then open the Visual Studio installer, and you should be able to install build tools 2019, 2022, or 2015 from here under the Available tab at the very top. For example, if I want 2015, I'll select this, change the ID, and just like that, build tools 2015 should be set up for me. So here we go. Here's the installer. I hit yes, and just like that, it starts installing. So that's really it. It's a super simple thing to do. It's a bit annoying that you have to do a workaround if you don't want to jump through all of Microsoft's hoops, but arguably this is simpler and just a lot better. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.